If I asked you for your address, you could probably rattle it off at the drop of a hat, right? We learned that as little children. Where do you live? So if I were to give my address here at Central, I would say Geological Sciences Department, Copernicus Hall, 1615 Stanley Street, New Britain, Connecticut, 06050, USA, North America, planet Earth. But what if we move beyond the planet Earth? What if we talk about our cosmic address? What would I say other than planet Earth? Well, I could say the solar system, the Milky Way galaxy. But then beyond that, what's our cosmic address? You're going to find out that we are in a cluster of galaxies called the Local Group. Really imaginative name, isn't that one, huh? And that the Local Group is part of a larger supercluster called either the Virgo supercluster or the Local supercluster, depending upon who you ask. And that our local or Virgo supercluster is part of a larger strand of superclusters, all sort of held together loosely by gravity in the universe. So we're going to really look at the big scale here in week 14. Talk about how matter clumps together by gravity. And you're also going to learn a little bit about the evolution of galaxies and about how galaxies change over time. And this is going to rely heavily on something called look-back time. The farther out in space we look, the further back we look in time. So as we look at a galaxy that's 2 billion light years away, we're not seeing how it looks right now, but we're seeing how it looked 2 billion years ago. So it should not surprise you that it will look different, right? And any aliens who are living in that galaxy 2 billion light years away from us, if they were looking out at the Milky Way tonight, they would see the Milky Way as it was 2 billion years ago. And of course, you would expect that the Milky Way itself would look different 2 billion years in the past. So a little bit of time traveling this week. So again, we're going to be talking about very vast distances, very long periods of time. We're going to be talking about really philosophical issues again. No way around that when you're talking about the universe. So some of this might be a little conceptually difficult. So again, make sure to take your time, read the chapter, go through all the links, and again, make sure you ask if you have any questions.